Hello my dear students of Devi Nandaj Public School. I am your Kumkum ma'am with the subject EVS of class 2 chapter 12 Birds and Insects. Okay, now this boy is saying, I wish I could fly like a bird. You know children, everybody wish that they could fly like birds. Okay, so start with now birds. Birds can fly with the help of their wings and feathers. Birds fly with the help of their wings and feathers. Birds have light hollow bones so that they can fly. Birds are having light and hollow bones. It is easy for them to fly. There are many kinds of birds like sparrow, crow, pigeon, parrot, owl, kingfisher, woodpecker, eagle, etc. These are the different kinds of birds. See the pictures, all these birds are here. Okay. Now, ostrich, kiwi and penguin cannot fly. You know, ostrich, kiwi and penguin cannot fly because their body is heavy. So they cannot fly, but they are birds only. So we will move to the next page. The next page is written, a bird has a head, beak, wings, legs, tail, feathers. Okay, these are the parts of the body of a bird. Okay, so now insects. Insects are small creature having 6 legs. Insects are very small creature. They have 6 legs. Some of the insects also can fly like butterfly, moth, housefly, etc. There are some insects that fly like butterfly, housefly, moth, etc. Okay, so see, these are the insects. Okay, now some insects have 2 long beaks on their heads. Some insects are having 2 long beaks. These are the long beaks. Okay, these are called long beaks on their head. They are called feelers. These beaks are called feelers. Cockroach and butterfly, etc. have feelers. The cockroaches are having, and these butterflies are having feelers. Okay, 2 long beaks. This is cockroach and this is butterfly. Okay, children. So go through this chapter. This is a very small chapter. You go through this, and you will find very interesting. Okay. Okay. Bye. Thank you, children.